dear teachers, and dear students. Good morning and happy Independence Day to all of you. It is my pride to give the vote of thanks on the occasion of Independence Day. First of all, I thanks our chief guest, Principal Sir, to motivating your words, helping in every aspect, giving the guidance, professional guidance also, valuable suggestions. Independence Day means, we fight for 91 years, fought for 91 years, 1857 to 1947. And now we have 80th Independence Day. And all our teachers and students, especially those who are participated in the cultural activities, and everyone, they motivated their dance and speech. And I myself understood that freedom should be responsibility. స్వేచ్ఛ అనేది బాధ్యతగా ఉండాలి. బాధ్యత లేని స్వేచ్ఛ చాలా ప్రమాదం. Freedom should be responsibly. Otherwise, excess of freedom will lead to many other side effects, dangerous also. అతి స్వేచ్ఛ ఎవరికైనా ఇచ్చినా అది ఉపయోగం ఉండదు. ఈ స్వేచ్ఛని మీరు ఉపయోగించుకోవాలి. అండ్ thanks to that our dance master, he composed excellent patriotic programs and activities by our children, and sound activities, anchoring, everything is very well mannered. And I thank to that giving the opportunity to vote of thanks. Thank you, and thank you one and all. Once again, happy Independence Day.